Swami, I was wondering, this word is a very powerful word, but I'm not able to find an English word for it. Is it close an English word for Soumya?
So mild would be the word.
Mild. I think it's more than mild. Mild is like meek and weak, and you're definitely not one of those.
That's it.
All right,
Definitely.
forget it. Tell about yourself. I'll be very curious to know, especially after you have joined the services.
So, myself, Soumya Mishra sir. I belong to Uttar Pradesh, Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and then I have done my schooling and education from Delhi itself. And I have worked as a lecturer in geography, and currently I'm working as deputy collector in Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. So,
You have been a teacher, geography teacher,
yes,
and a
sir.
gold medalist also.
Okay.
All right. What traits of teaching you think that will be useful for you in your future role?
Mhm. Sir, openness to sensitivity and openness towards the issues that are told to me by be it the people or the students. Then openness to understand the different viewpoints and analytical skills and continuous improvement in my job. So
Mhm. You got training for the job that you're doing at the moment.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How have you evolved as a person during the training?
Yes, sir. So before training, my view of the job was limited to that I was not very aware of the diverse set of roles provides. So in the training, I was trained in land revenue, then disaster management, security, election management. So I got to know about the diverse responsibilities that civil servants have. So that is one thing, sir. Secondly, dealing with the pressure or for example, political pressure or the demands to do things instantly. These things were also taught, sir.
Mhm. Political pressure that you mentioned just now, have you got this as a reality? It is actually happening, political pressure?
Um, Sir, I would say in few cases, yes. There is demand to do the things very instantly, or there are some cases involved in which uh, I was not pressurized to do something wrong, but to do things instantly. For example, the early disposal of the court cases, which require adequate time to hear the side and then do justice to the revenue processor.
So how did you do? How did you go about that?
Sir, I reasoned with them. Respectfully, I told them that, sir, currently for example, in that particular case, the written statement from that defendant party was not there. So I told sir, Abhi, the procedures are not complete. So once they are there, once the documents and evidences are there, then I will definitely expedite with the case.
Which political party was giving you pressure?
So it was not a particular political. So I would. It was not a political party, sir, but a case
You said
which was
political.
having.
Anyway, we leave that there. You come from Unnao, and Unnao had the influence of tanneries, especially when there were a lot of them shifted from Kanpur to Unnao. How is the ecology of Unnao doing at the moment?
Uh, so this Unnao Kanpur belt, which has the leather and tannery industries concentration, still the density of the sewage treatment plants or the industrial effluent treatment plants, it is not as much as it should be. So, sir, the it is still contributing to the pollution, and the river quality is not up to the mark in the Yamuna, in the Ganga river stretch in that region, sir.
All right. You were a student of geography, not student, you were lecturer and also a gold medal. Which part of geography has been your comfortable area?
Sir, particularly human geography, and within that also the demography or the population geography, sir.
All right. All right. What is a specific contribution of Notestein and how does it apply to Indian case?
Yes, sir. So Notestein has given the demographic transition theory that as a country, it progresses from the agricultural or rural status to the urban and agrarian status. The demographic indicators, for example, the birth and fertility, urbanization, they change. So, sir, as we see, as we are moving from 1950s towards this period, we are seeing that the total fertility rate has dropped below the replacement level. The migration rate is increasing, and the urbanization is also continuously and progressively increasing, sir.